Hi guys, so today we'll talk about airplanes. So, airplanes, and it has a name if you want to know how the airplane goes up and down. You need to know this first. There's a force that is four force. That's it. And the airplane will need to go back. No, you need to go front and brake because the airplane cannot go. And up, down. That's it. So when they pulls the airplane, its name thrust. Thrust make the airplane go. Look. Wheel. And there was drag. It cannot drag like this. It need a brake like that. And there was gravity like this. See, everything will fall. And the airplane needs gravity, so this one the airplane don't get out of the space. And it need a lift because if it don't lift, it will just stay on the ground and like this. So this one is the elevator, and this one is a rudder. And if you want to get the airplane go up, you need to do like this, and airplane will go up, take off. And if you want to get the airplane go down, you need to do like this, and airplane will go down, so it's land. So this is the rudder. So the rudder, if like this, it will go like this. It will go like this. Yeah, it's so easy. Guys, did you know this is what? What is this? You guess. Yeah, you're right. It is aileron. So this one, see, it will help the rudder go left and right. So if it go left, it will go right. It need to do like this. So this one need to be down. This one need to be up. But if you want to go left, you need this down and this up, and it will be weird. So guys, this one is the wing. This is the right way, not this. Okay. The air will the up air will go faster than the bottom air because this one is longer than the bottom air. So it will push the wing up. And if this one, the air is slower than this one, it will go down. So this is a wing, and this is a wing too. A wing has a rudder. Well, it's cool. So I will show you. I will blow this one, and this one will go up. And I will show you it will go down, guys. I need to use two of them because it cannot go like that. See guys? Did you see that? See that? Wow! Wow! It can fly! Wow! And look, guys. Look. See, it drops because gravity. That's it. Bye. Bye, guys. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and click like and share to somebody else. Bye.